Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. How can your company start implementing a proactive IT model for work from home employees? Here's a 7-step checklist to follow. Company policies. Do you have a defined list of company policies for your employees to follow working from home? What are your requirements when it comes to the internet, remote work, and bringing your own device? And do those policies include requiring computers to automatically shut down after 10 to 15 minutes of inactivity? Workstations. Are all employees' workstations up to date with the latest operating system? And do they all have antivirus software? Connections. Do your employees have a secure connection to work applications from home? Encryption. Do you have a disk or file encryption in place to protect sensitive company information on workstations? Passwords. Have all users selected strong passwords for their accounts? The key elements of a strong password are length, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, no ties to personal information, and no dictionary words. And do employees store these passwords in a secure location? Mobile device management. Are you using mobile device management on non-company issued devices such as tablets, smartphones, and laptops? And last, training. Have your employees completed security awareness training? Have you provided your staff with phishing simulation training? If you answered no to even a couple of these questions, then it's time to reevaluate your IT security and work from home policies. Establishing a relationship with a managed IT service provider can ensure your company is protected while reducing cost and increasing profits. Please give us a call today and we will be happy to help you. Sign up with us with our managed IT services.